Hi, my name is Anne, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about AppaNail before you decide to buy it. Plus, I have some very important alerts, so make sure to pay attention to what I'm about to share. The first thing you need to know is that AppaNail is only sold on the official website. To help you out, I've left the link to the official website below, in the description of this video, and pinned in the first comment. So, what is AppaNail and does it really work? The answer is yes, it works. AppaNail is an innovative supplement specially designed to care for the health of your nails and feet. It helps eliminate nail fungus, improves the overall appearance of your feet, and restores that healthy, natural look we all want. What makes it stand out is its unique combination of natural ingredients that nourish, hydrate, and rejuvenate both your nails and the surrounding skin. If you've ever dealt with nail fungus, you know how uncomfortable and even embarrassing it can be, right? I've been there myself, and I know how hard it is to find something that truly works. Most of the time, doctors recommend creams or medications, but those solutions don't always provide long-term results. What makes AppaNail different is its 100% natural composition. It's carefully formulated with some of nature's best elements to create a safe and effective solution. Not only does it hydrate your skin and strengthen your nails, but it also prevents cracking and weakening. Since I started using AppaNail, I've noticed incredible changes. My nails are much stronger, the skin on my feet feels more hydrated, and best of all, the fungus is completely gone. But let me make something clear. AppaNail isn't magic. You need to use it consistently and as directed. I, for example, take it daily as recommended, and that's how I got these results. I even recommended it to a friend, but she didn't stick to the routine. And of course, she didn't see the same results. Another thing that really stood out to me was the testimonials from other users. On the official website, you'll find several stories from people who have also transformed the health of their nails and feet with AppaNail. It only reinforced the trust I already had in this product. Oh, and be careful with counterfeits. AppaNail is in high demand, and unfortunately, there are a lot of fake versions being sold out there. To make sure you're getting the original product, use the official website link I've included below in the description or the pinned comment. Plus, when you buy through the official website, you're covered by a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can test AppaNail with zero risk. Don't waste more time or money on expensive products that don't work. Give AppaNail a try and see the difference for yourself. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and if you still have any questions, the best place to learn more about the product is on the official website. The link is just below. See you next time.